Welcome to Apocalypse Ready, your guide to surviving anything life throws your way.
Hey there, survival enthusiasts. Welcome back to Apocalypse Ready, where we're all about preparing for the unexpected without breaking the bank. Today, we've got an exciting and budget-friendly lineup for you, as we dive into the top 12 survival items that you can snag from Harbor Freight to build a robust bag for hiking, emergencies, or camping. Number 1. Portable solar panel. A portable solar panel harnesses the sun's energy to charge electronic devices such as phones or GPS units, ensuring you stay connected during emergencies. It's a sustainable and reliable power source, especially in prolonged survival situations. Number 2. Machete. A machete is a versatile cutting tool. It can be used for clearing vegetation, building shelter, or even self-defense. Its broad blade makes it an effective tool for various outdoor tasks. Number 3. Survival kit. A survival kit typically includes a variety of essential items such as first aid supplies, signaling tools, fire-starting materials, and more. It serves as a comprehensive package to address various survival needs in emergencies. Number 4. Survival knife. A survival knife is a multi-purpose tool designed for cutting, chopping, and other survival tasks. It's a fundamental item for building shelters, preparing food, and handling various situations in the wild. Number 5. Magnesium fire starter. A magnesium fire starter produces hot sparks for fire ignition, even in adverse conditions. It's a compact and reliable tool for starting fires in wet or windy environments, crucial for warmth, cooking, and signaling. Number 6. Knife sharpener. A knife sharpener ensures that your blades remain effective. A sharp knife is essential for various survival tasks, including cutting, preparing food, and crafting tools. Regular maintenance with a sharpener keeps your tools in optimal condition. Number 7. Folding shovel. A folding shovel is a compact and versatile tool for digging, clearing debris, or even as a makeshift weapon. It's useful for creating fire pits, building shelters, and adapting to different survival scenarios. Number 8. Folding saw. A folding saw is a compact and efficient cutting tool for processing wood. It aids in building shelters, crafting tools, or gathering firewood. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry in a survival kit. Number 9. Paracord. Paracord is a strong and lightweight nylon cord with multiple survival uses. It can be used for building shelters, securing items, crafting tools, or even as a makeshift tourniquet. Its individual strands may be used for a fishing line or crafting a net. Its versatility makes it a staple in any survival kit. Number 10. Hatchet. A hatchet is a compact chopping tool, ideal for cutting wood, clearing paths, or building shelters. Its smaller size compared to an axe makes it a practical addition to a survival kit for various outdoor tasks. Number 11. Tarp. A tarp is a versatile and durable material that can be used to create makeshift shelters, protect against the elements, or even collect water. Its large size and durability make it an essential item in survival situations. Number 12. Hammock. A hammock provides a comfortable and elevated sleeping or resting option in the wilderness. It keeps you off the ground, away from moisture and potential critters. In a survival scenario, it can contribute to better rest, crucial for maintaining physical and mental well-being. And there you have it, folks. Our journey through the top 12 budget-friendly survival items from Harbor Freight to supercharge your bug-out bag is complete. We've covered everything from versatile tools to essential gear, all without putting a dent in your pocket. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our practical tips and guides. And of course, share your thoughts in the comments below. What are your favorite budget-friendly survival items? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of Harbor Freight's survival gems. Stay prepared, stay safe, and until next time, happy prepping. Thanks for watching.